Hi, my name is Kaylee Archuleta, and my web tutorial is on Khan Academy. I'm sure everyone is familiar with Khan Academy, but you might not be familiar with it as a teacher. So you can actually create a teacher's account with any email. You don't need a certain school district email. I actually created one. I don't have a classroom right now, but I created one for my own kids. What's cool is that when you create an account, you still have your learning, so you don't have to have a separate account as a student and as a teacher. So you have all your learning here. But when you log in, your main thing is this coach's dashboard here. You'll have all your classes down here. The first thing I recommend you do is go to the resource tab here and go to K through 12 teachers. Khan Academy provides tons of articles on getting started, the different content and assignments, and then ways to implement them in the classroom. When I first used Khan Academy in the classroom, it was as a long-term sub at a middle school. I was able to get the students on there easy enough, but then felt a little overwhelmed when I was trying to assign them things. I really didn't understand it, but going through and reading these different articles took about an hour or so. I feel like a professional now, and just think it's a wonderful resource for teachers to use in the classroom because it's free and it provides quality videos and explanation on tons of different things beyond just math and science and history. They even offer grammar and computer programming. So I think this is a great tool and every teacher should use it.